We are off the ship. We are in Palma de Mallorca. We just arrived. Looking forward to a glorious day. Really looks beautiful. Can't tell right now because we have this big ship behind me that we're on. We also have this big car ferry. So we're gonna go take the shuttle. It's gonna take us to the center of town. We're on the shuttle. Look at that, we got the big cruise ship behind us. Dirty window. Look at that, look at the anchor. What are you saying?
What's the anchor?
That thing hanging down that on the big chain?
Oh.
If we had the moor and yeah, we could drive right off the edge here. Wow. That's owned by Carnival.
Oh, see?
Yeah. That's why that ship looks like the Celebration kind of. It's a similar floor plan. So we are taking the MSC shuttle. This takes you into the center of town. From what I understand, it's about a 50-minute walk, so this is a little bit of savings. It's like 13 pounds. Oh, that's cool.
I want to do that.
Yeah, it looks cool. It's like 13 pounds per person. It's a little pricey, but they just dropped us off. There's the bus that we just took. You can see there's the goes the ferry, and our cruise ship's there in the distance. For some reason, I thought that we were gonna go more into like the center of town, but apparently this is a shuttle stop. Just says cathedral. So I don't think we're gonna walk up to the cathedral. It's 10 euros to go in from what I understand. Looks beautiful. But we're gonna continue on up to, I believe it's called Plaza Mayor or Plaza Mayor. Lots of vendors in this area by the cathedral. It's a good area for walking. Erika's already doing her thing. Yeah.
We're gonna take a train.
I don't know, Aiden. I've never been on it. I don't know. Taking a taxi up to the train station. ¿Tú son de aquí, de Palma?
Sí.
¿Vive aquí toda tu vida?
Sí.
Está muy bonita.
Sí, es
So we took a taxi up here to the train, and all the tickets are sold. Or at least until later in the afternoon, and then returns. It'd be too late in the day. Taco Bell, Taco Bell, Taco Bell, Taco Bell. It's all McDonald's and now Taco Bell. So we came up to the train station here to take the old train station to Sóller, but the only tickets available were late in the afternoon, and it's going to take a lot of our day. Just kind of a bummer. Should have purchased those tickets in advance, but we're going to walk through down to the one of the main plazas, and then we may end up at the beach later. We'll see. We're right here at the top of town. Look at that, another McDonald's. Taco Bell, McDonald's. Just get a picture.
I don't want to.
Come on. Go, Ethan. Give him a euro. Give him a euro.
I'm scared. Euro.
You have that euro? This is Placa de Lolibad. Lots of street artists along here. It's cool.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, it's nice. Just you and I hanging out, killing some time. Or Erika and everybody.
They just passed us, but they're really slow, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, they go into every store. Like probably they average like 3 stores every block. So
Yeah, true.
we'll let them go a block or 2 ahead, and then we'll catch up to them pretty quickly.
I got match attack cards.
We're making our way through this fairly narrow walkway road. I think we're getting close to the Plaza Mayor, what I was looking for.
And I can't believe we actually got ahead of us.
Hey, you think they're ahead of us, or you think we passed them? They could have pulled into a store back there and we passed them.
Who's this? There's a shopping center down there.
It looks like it's closed already. Might be the Mercado. We'll have to look.
I saw this restaurant where they had plates.
You just deviated off course for like an hour and only bought one shirt? This is the Forteza Rey building. From what I understand, it's like a mansion, a privately owned building. It's like Gaudí architecture. Don't hold me to it, but it's just what I read real briefly online. Everybody's over here taking pictures of it. Making our way, making our way. It's like we got a horse and carriage here. So what are we gonna do?
Go to the beach now.
Yeah. Go to the beach.
Tell me more.
Palmanova.
Let's go to the beach.
She said that's a good area because there's a lot of restaurants and things to buy in stores across the street from the beach.
Maybe mariscos.
So we're gonna conclude our walking around here in Palma. We're waiting for an Uber. We're gonna head down towards the beach.
No!
You wanna come with me? Or you wanna stay with mommy? You wanna go with me? So we ordered an Uber 10 minutes out. We're gonna head towards a beach that someone recommended. I think it's called, what's the name of the beach? Playa Nova? Palma de Nova. Palma Nova. Hola suegra, ¿cómo estás?
Ay, en yerno
Hey,
consentido.
just sit down with your seatbelts.
Como dice mi mamá. I love you.
There's the train station. I think we have it up here. Berta tenemos, ¿no?
Okay.
What do you say? Gracias. Gracias, thank you. There's loads of restaurants around here. Loads of restaurants. We'll have to find something to eat at later. Look at the shopping, more shopping for you. Look at that. Look at that McDonald's. McDonald's with a beautiful view. Great location. This beach seems very nice. Very quiet today. I thought it'd be busier. Saturday. Not that many people at the beach. But we got some nice restaurants and bar areas here. Gonna walk out to this point, take a photo. The kids are over there trying to convince Erika to rent a little paddle boat with a slide on it. Emma's over there chasing the birds.
If you go with us, we have to go past the green.
Oh, I know. I don't think I have the power, you know?
So you're weak. You're a weak dad.
Weak, very weak. Emma, you like the sand?
¿Es de pedal? Sí. No tiene patio.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Alright, so the boys convinced me to rent one of these paddle boats.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I like this idea because I'm doing all the paddling.
Yeah, me too. You think you're turning.
As I expected, this is hard work. We haven't even made it out to the buoys. We're supposed to be out past these buoys, as you can see here. But
So much seaweed here because of these buoys. Let's go more over there. Next to that boat. Should I? Yeah, go.
yeah, why not? That's what you wanted to do, rent this.
Come on, bro. I'm going. First. Yeah, buddy. I'm doing it. 3, 2, 1.
It's a little for you. Go up the back ladder, okay?
I love it.
You gonna go, Ethan?
Yeah.
Okay, 3,
Wait.
3,
Two.
1, go.
Let me see if I see fish. You're fine, Ethan. There's nothing. Come on. Come on.
Ethan, go.
What's wrong, bro? I'm going. Can I jump off the back?
Yeah, go.
3, 2, 1. Here, pedal back. Oh, this is beautiful water race.
Yeah, the water is nice and clear here.
Hi, guys.
3, 2,
2,
1,
1.
go.
Oh, I gotta get a good hard start.
Go.
3, 2. Oh, I can't. Hold on. Yeah.
It's funny, the sign says max 4 passengers and 1 case. Like, who's getting on here with a piece of luggage? I don't know. But we're out here pedaling around the bay, getting our exercise in. But definitely, it's like we're on the Peloton right now.
Wait.
You didn't find the water cold? No?
It was.
A little bit? You didn't find it cold? Are you gonna go back in or are you done?
Go back in where?
The water.
Oh, yeah, and then we're gonna leave you. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Pedal! Pedal! Pedal!
We're not gonna get away that quick. This thing is slower than you can swim. So we just came back in. We rented for an hour, but we only went out for a half hour because, as expected, the kids got kind of bored out there. It's a lot of work when you're the only one doing all the pedaling. I think we're gonna head back to the ship in a little bit. What do you think of this beach area?
Good. I like it. It's nice. I just wish it was a little warmer. It's overcast and ice and cold. I
Yeah.
want it to be warm.
You know we're right next to Ibiza, right?
We are?
Have you heard of Ibiza?
Yeah.
It's the island. It's the next island over. Finish our session at the beach and stopped here at this beach club to grab a little snack and a little drink. What are you trying to do?
Show the camera my cards.
Why?
These are the best cards I have.
So we're just finishing up here at the beach. We just had something to eat at the beach club there. Waiting for an Uber to head back to the cruise port. The ship doesn't sail until midnight, 12 o'clock tonight. I don't know if we're gonna freshen up and then go back out on the town. It's a very attractive possibility. We'll see. We're on our way back to the ship. Did you guys have fun today?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I love the boat.
Here we are back at the port. Forteza de Palma. So we're on the raised platform. Look, there's another ferry ship. You drive right on. See what I was telling you about how they have ramps inside? Yeah. You drive up to the different decks. You can park right there. It's pretty cool, no? Did you have a good day, Ethan?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Kind of.
The cruise ship right there. That's the GNV Sealand. Got a long little walk through the port area here. Here we are. Made it back to the ship. Plenty of time today.
I feel like that one's longer, but less shorter.
I don't know. So our ship is 181,000 gross tons, and that Ida Cosma is 183,000 gross tons.
So 2 more tons.
2,000 tons bigger. Very, very little. Very similar. Look at you guys. What do you say, Aiden?
Thank you.
Look at this. I thought this was just for the yacht club, you know? This is nice service. It's a nice day. Uh-oh. Champagne.
I ordered the oysters,
Yeah?
1 dozen, and then I ordered the tuna tartare and the sashimi.
It's a lot of food, no?
It's not a lot of food.
You're hungry? So we're gonna give the champagne bar
That's right.
a try. Instead of going back into Palma, Some of the bars that I looked up that might be good for evening nightlife didn't open until 10, 11 o'clock, and so we have to be back on the ship at 11:30. So, plus it's a little bit of a walk and an effort to get into town, so we're just gonna opt for staying on the ship. We're gonna pretend like technically we're still in Palma, right here at the Champagne Bar, you know? But we're at the bar in Palma, we just happen to be on a cruise ship. What did you get? Sweet one?
I think I got the Nicole's.
We're back on the ship. We had a great day in Palma de Mallorca. We thought about getting off and going into town, but Erika said, let's go to the Champagne Bar, have a little botanita. And here we are. Look at what Erika ordered. A couple glasses of wine.
Champagne.
Champagne. We had champagne, but you're onto the Prosecco.
Oh, yeah.
Now you're doing a little appetizers. Excited?
Yes.
So how is it so far?
Good.
Yeah, I feel like you're really in the zone here, enjoying the food. How's it going so far, Erika? Making progress? Slowly?
I don't think I can eat anymore.
So we just finished at the Champagne Bar. It was very good. Great service. Good champagne. Great appetizers. Too much food. We thought we were just getting like small little plates of appetizers, but it was really good. So gonna put the camera away. The kids are up playing football, soccer, and we're gonna go to a show or go listen to some music. And then tomorrow we'll be in Barcelona. So we'll check in with you in Barcelona. What?
Everybody ready? Yeah!